Beautiful day, beautiful day. I should really just bitch to Costco and say, yo, man, these tires are dry rotted. Look, we picked up, made it to the ghetto and back. We're probably never gonna go that way again, which is awesome. But this is what I got. I don't really screw with the spare tire thing in the back. I found one of these in a junk car, I think. And check it out, you just put a gear wrench on it. I don't use a adjustable wrench. Just keep it in your garage. It's so much easier to drop a spare tire. I believe it'll fit on this rig too, same size. And, yeah, we had to put this dry rotted POS on. Not good yet. Man, this thing got dirty. I just had this down like a year ago. Clean it all up. Dirty. Then we can put it back on again. Yay. Alright, we off. We off, bro. Crank it back up. Put it the other way. So it ain't dragging. Has to be a Florida ride and let it drag. Like everyone else does. Cut it off. Yeah, we need a new spare tire. I feel like going to Firestone, see if they get me one for like $100. It's worth it. We up. 2015 tread, 1994 tread. I've changed these here damn tire faster than them Duke boys can do it. Duke, 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 Duke. Alright, good enough for now. We're not going nowhere. Yeah! Freaking screw. Probably gonna get condo reported. I don't know if you can change the tire. Back on. I got a new valve stand. They're gonna be ugly green cap. That's gonna go. Old tire. Alright. I still say, man, people put shit on your tire, right? Nice brick cracks. You roll over them. So I did this tire twice. Remember that I put something in this tire. We had them rotated. A day later, had to screw in this tire again. So yeah, they hit it twice. One night, another night, and I guess they didn't see that the vehicle didn't come home. I don't know why people do that for, if they are even doing it, because I have the tools to fix it, so it isn't really, it's not really affecting me any. It's really no big deal. Hey, New York rocks. We'll leave them in the tire. Sentimental. Old Tiger Paw. Ow, I hit that damn mirror again. I'm gonna break it off. We gotta clean this thing out. I think what I'm gonna do too is spray a little oil on it too. So it won't rust so bad. I should really put acid on it, but I'm not doing it. Phosphoric acid, kill the rust, and then paint it. That could happen. It's amazing that the spare tire is that dirty when it was cleaner last time I had it off, and it was on for longer, so all the rain we've been having, it's salt. Think salt on the road. Oh man, I just ripped off the freaking thing for the door. Looks like it. Clean it up. Good enough. Oil it up. And yeah. Cheap shit. Alright. Put a little anti-rust in there. If it'll do anything or not. It's still runny as all hell. Should put a little more maybe. I'll wipe it in that spot. Blah, 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 blah. It's gonna work? Who knows? This is fun, huh? How do I even show this? No, it ain't working. Fuck it. What's going on? Got an alloy wheel. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this before, but definitely somebody's looking out for me with this shit. When this happens with tires. I'm not gonna tell you the whole story, but I think I know why. But And it seems to me that every time this happens, the tire just lands right up, and I just happen to look at it. You've got a little friend that's looking at you going, you have a problem. And it saves your ass. And another thing, who the heck would want to do this job on the side of the highway? 70 miles an hour, or 80 miles an hour, 90 miles an hour. And people don't lower for you. Because it's, well, it's that.